So your map should look somewhat like this, where you have the different tectonic plate boundaries. And if I go to the legend, it tells me which are convergent, divergent, transform. We can ignore the unknowns for now. But the interesting thing, I've got my cities, and they're just points. They're just mapping the location of these cities, and that's interesting. But there is information in that data layer that would be really useful. And we can map that. We can choose a symbol. So we're going to hover under, so I'm in the contents. Yeah, I'm in the contents page here. And I'm going to hover under the major cities layer, and where it says change style, the little triangles, I'm going to pop that open. And right now it's choosing to show just the location, but I want to show the population of the city. And so I'm going to let it think for a minute. And so now it's symbolizing the cities based on their population. And we're going to just ignore this less than 90, negative 99. That's used to show that they don't have any data about that entered. But right now, I think for what we're doing, we can just leave it like that. You can also, if you want to change the color of your symbol, you can go in here and wait a while. And we're talking about a fill color. So, gosh, I've got red, blue, and black. Maybe I want to use a bright green. I don't know. We'll just see how that looks. It's okay. All right. So this gives me a lot more information, not just the location of my cities, but it also tells me the size of the cities. So there I have that. And that's kind of a silly name. So I could also, where am I going here? Rename that just to major cities. And that way in my story map, which I'm going to add this to later, I have the major city data. And then what's nice is when I click on that, I see that it's not a capital. It's the country of Morocco. The name of that city is Fez, and there's the population. So then I'm going to zoom to an area that shows kind of cities that are, oh, look at that, cities that are near, oh, wow, right near boundaries. So I'm going to kind of focus on that for the center of my map. I'm going to save it. I'm saving, and I'm going to make sure that I am set to public. And then I'm done with that, and I can add this now to my story map.